Today's unboxing is on the pair of TLV Mazda RX7 GTX, which is also the later version of the SC3S. This pair of GTX comes in gunmetal grey and blue, which is also the color in 1989. The 89 GTX comes in a standard TLV packing. You can see the serial number is A, which is the very first casting in this series. Also included is a user mounting part, which I can't comprehend why the consumer need to do it ourselves. Wow, this RX7 looks impressive. It looks just like the real GTX shrink down in 1:64 scale. The matching wheel set looks very realistic, and what I really like is the body color. The gunmetal comes in high gloss finish. It's very nice, very reflective. It's a pity that the headlights is not a functioning headlights, just like the Tomica Premium, so as not to compromise the realism. I really like the details on the rear with the realistic rear lights, and also the Mazda and RX7 logo type. From here, you can see the interior is 2 color tone, which is great, and this is indeed a wonderful casting by TLV. Next, the RX7 GTX in blue. This casting is as equally impressive as the gunmetal version, but I can resonate blue more than the gunmetal grey for the RX7. Same details on the rear, and also the same details on the interior, just like the earlier version. I think the paintworks and all the fine details is what made this TLV look so premium. The premium quality finish on the body with the high gloss made this RX7 looks very premium. Overall, this RX7 GTX is a very realistic casting produced by TLV as always. I believe more variants for the GTX will be coming, and stay tuned for more TLV unboxing in this channel. This Tarmac Works Porsche RWB 930 is a random giveaway to my subscribers who actively comment, like and share my videos in this channel. I will pick the lucky subscriber in the beginning of 2020. So be sure to subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone, bye!